Good evening, everyone. Today we will continue with our subject, history. You all know that simply history is a record of events of past, but history is rarely derived from a Greek word, histori, which means inquiry or knowledge acquired by investigation. History. Historical sources help us to know about history to make a proper, chronological and scientific assessment of history. Basically, historical sources are of two types: archaeological sources and literary sources. Archaeological sources are monuments. These are the figures mostly found in many of the forts, temples, etc. Coins, which are also found during the archaeological setups. Seals found in coastal areas. Potteries found in many of the archaeological sites like Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, etc. Tools and graves. These are mostly found in every type of civilization. Sculptures and paintings differs with every civilization. They made their own sculptures, their own paintings by their ideals or any other. Inscriptions. They are written knowledge that they have measures, study, etc. Then literary sources are divided into two parts: Indian literature and foreign literature. These foreign literatures are mostly written by the travelers. Indian literature is divided into religious literature and non-religious literature. Religious literature is divided into three parts: Brahminical literature, Buddhist literature, and Jain literature. Brahminical literature are divided into two parts: Shrutis text, which we have listened and then written. These are Vedas, Rigved, Samved, Yajurved, Atharvaved. Then Brahmins, Aranyaks, and Upanishads. These all are written texts which we listen and then made the reports for further generations. Smriti texts which we memorize. These are Vedants, epics, Ramayana and Mahabharata, which teaches us morals for the coming generations as well. Purans, these are 18 in numbers. Smritis. Then the non-religious literature, which are of two types: historical sources and Sangam literature. Then the foreign literature, which is written by travelers during their travel. Greek Roman writers, Theseus, Herodotus, Megasthenes, Dionysius, Pliny. These Greek Roman writers mostly write about the knowledge, their practices, their culture and tradition of the people during the sea in the traveling. Chinese writers, Fan, Song Hyun, Asentis. These all are studied by the Indian universities during at that time, like Nalanda and Takshila. Arab writers, Suleiman, El-Masudi, El-Baruni, Ibn Battuta, Marco Polo. These all mostly write about some of the languages or the kings during their traveling time period. Thank you. I hope that you understand the meaning of history.